Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to be doing an Artius Man unboxing and first impressions, and I've actually been a big fan of Artius Man products for a really long time. They do have a whole bunch of scents that I haven't tried yet, so I bought a few sampler packs and that's basically what I'm going to be doing first impression on today. So I'm going to take my trusty knife and start opening this box, and we'll see you after the intro. One thing I really like about Artius Man is they always give you like a personalized note. So this one says, Miklos, thank you for your order from Jeff. They always come with this nice little baggie that you can use to carry your beard oils with you. It's great if you're going on a plane trip or something like that and you need a little baggie. So this one here is Mountain Air beard oil, which is my favorite scent, which is why I bought the bigger bottle in this one. The bottles are both child-proof and idiot-proof, so it might take a while to open up if you're a little bit challenged like myself. Yes, that's the scent that I've come to know and love. So Mountain Air is, it speaks to its name. It's one of those scents where, you know, if you live in kind of like a flatland area like myself, you haven't been in the mountains in a while, and then you hit up the mountains that when you first land, when your plane first lands and you take that big, fresh, mountainous breath of air, that's exactly what Mountain Air smells like to me, and I highly recommend that one. Another thing I purchased here is the Mountain Air beard conditioner. I've used their beard conditioners before. They come with a very nice lather, and it's just an overall great beard conditioner. I've also got their hair conditioner here. I try to exclusively use their shampoo and conditioner on the top of my head, even though I don't have very much. I just really like this stuff. It's all natural and smells really good. It only comes in one scent, but the scent is very nice and fresh. So that is that. I also purchased, I think I got a couple. I thought I got a couple. I just purchased one beard balm, and again I went with the Mountain Air. I've tried out their lager, and I forget what the other one was, but my girlfriend really didn't like the bay rum one. She didn't really like the scent of the bay rum, which is too bad because I really loved it. The consistency of this balm is really good. It comes out very easily, and you know, there's no clumping. So if you rub it in your arms, you see there's no clumping left over, remnants. I'm just gonna put a little bit of that in the beard. I've actually never purchased the Mountain Air Balm before, even though it's my favorite scent. I just wanted to try out some other things, so I'm actually very pleasantly surprised that this smells very much like the beard oil itself. And then here we have a sampler pack. So these are great. They actually sell them in 5s and 10s, so you can really try out a wide array of their scents. And then, you know, once you've decided what your favorite scents are, then you can go into a bigger 1-ounce bottle like this that'll last you longer. This is new. The sampler packs didn't used to come with the little droppers, which I'm actually very excited about, because the sampler packs, the last one that I purchased, actually just had a screw top, and then I just find that when you're pouring oil into your hand, you end up pouring a little bit too much. With a dropper, you have a little bit more control. So I'm actually really excited about this. So we're going to open this right up. Alright, so what do we have? Let me move this box. Now they're rolling around everywhere. Perfect, perfect. Speaking of control. So I've got black coffee. I've never tried any of their coffee scents before. So let's just smell this one and see what it's like. Oh, that smells great. It actually smells like, almost more like a stronger cappuccino. Not quite that black black coffee scent that you would expect, but it's more of like maybe a cappuccino that is more black than anything else. I don't know much about cappuccino or how it's made, but yeah, this is a very nice scent. I'm definitely going to use this one, and I'll probably order a bigger one of this down the road. This one here is their Tinderbox. Maybe this is the oil you wear if you're looking for dates on Tinder. I don't know. I don't know where the name came from, but let's see what this is about. Okay. So this one, I almost wish I looked up the ingredients so I can tell you what that smells like. It's very unique. I almost want to say it's like a caramel with like a small hint of licorice. Very, very small hint. Maybe there's some leather in there. I don't know if this is one that I would continue to use, but I'll definitely try it out and see what it smells like in the beard. The next one I've got here is the Spice Latte, so we're just going to give that a whiff here as well. Okay, so this one smells very similar actually to the black coffee, and it doesn't actually smell very spicy. So if you're looking for that spice latte, I don't know how spicy this one is, but it's definitely a coffee scent, and it's not as strong as the black coffee. This one is it's a very light scent. So I can't imagine this being something that people can smell in your beard. It's almost unscented, I would say. Very, very, very light. So the next one here is Midnight Ride. I have actually tried this one out before in the sampler packs, and I didn't like it. I know there's people out there that really love this scent, and it's their go-to, it's their favorite. So I'm actually excited to try this again, and this is the reason why I ordered it, because I wanted to see if, when I ordered it a year ago, if maybe my opinions changed. So let's give this one another smell here. Okay, so this one is a little bit more of a spicy scent. So this one's a little bit more of like a sweet, spicy scent. It's not overbearing. It's not very strong, but it's definitely stronger than that lighter one, the Spice Latte that we just checked out. So we're going to also look at Citrus Fire. I tend to not like the citrusy stuff. It's usually really strong, but let's check this out. Okay, so this smells really nice. This actually smells like fresh oranges, like that hint of orange that you get when you cut into an orange. That's exactly what this smells like, but it's not super strong. It's kind of it's a lighter scent, but it's definitely there. It's more of a medium strength scent that'll probably last in your beard, and people can probably catch that hint of orange off of you when you're wearing it. So guys, I really highly recommend Artius Man products. I initially heard about this product, this company, from a YouTube channel called BeardTube, and up until then I had really only purchased beard oils from Amazon, and I was very, very disappointed with a lot of the products that I purchased on there. So I was looking for something, and I went to YouTube. I was looking for a good product, and this product is, these products are great through Artius Man. Beard oils are the thickest oils out of really any oil I've ever tried, and they just feel really nice putting them into the beard, and they have some really great smelling scents. So this is definitely one I recommend. You can purchase Artius Man products with my discount code BEARDY, and that'll give you 10% off on your order. I'll put the link for that in the description, and we'll see you next week.